Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new airdrop called CEX.io. It has just been launched and has been live for 3 months. We hope that in a very short period, it will provide great value. Now, you can start earning free money with this airdrop. Farm CEXP tokens and earn rewards. CEX.io app makes it simple and secure to buy, exchange, and store cryptocurrencies. If you don't have Telegram, you can find the Telegram link in the description box below. I'm showing you this for your benefits. Unbelievable milestone alert. This mini-game on Telegram has reached 3 million players. This is all part of a new project. But now it's old. You can also invite your friends to get more points. Tap, farm, task, invite. Keep them coming and watch your CEXP grow with the 5,588,342 users who are tapping altogether. CEX.io say, we're welcoming a phenomenal 200 new users every single minute to our mini app at Sexio Tapbot. Jump into the excitement now and be part of the action. Subscribe to the channel to receive more updates on airdrops, new coins, trading information, crypto news, and free signals. I will show you everything without saying much. If you don't understand something, you can join my Telegram channel. I will discuss it with you in detail. After that, if you need more details, then you can tell me in the comment box and I will tell you through the video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Check the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and happy earning with Wave Wallet. Subscribe to my channel for more updates like how to exchange your coins, how to connect your wallet to airdrops, coin mining, etc.